Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I will tell you how to selling secret formula easy and fast. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Now look at this, we have 10 secret formula. Don't put 10 secret formula in one place in the market. It is fault if you 10 secret formula put in one place in the market. It is very big fault. You need to put this 10 secret formula 1 by 1 or 2 by 3 or 4 by 5. Don't put all your secret formula in one place in the market. Put your secret formula like me, the same as this video. See 2, 3, 4, 1 in 4 place. From this way you can sell your secret formula fast and easy. It is fastest to sell. Also I will show you in my other account. I put secret formula in so many place in the market. You can look this like this video. You should put your secret formula like me on or 2 or 5. Just do like my video, your secret formula put in market. You can sell your secret formula easy. It is done guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I sold so many secret formula by this way. Thank you. See you next video.